This is a video from eSkills Zone. For more videos, notes, and certificates, please visit www.eskillszone.com.
Hello and welcome. Hi viewers. Today in this video we'll discuss files and the components of files in GW Basic Programming Language. So let's start. A file is a systematic and organized collection of records in computer terminology. The word file meant exactly the same as stated above, that is, a device which can store the information. Files hold records and information on a variety of storage media such as magnetic tapes, hard disks, and floppy disks, etc. Files are also stored in the internal or main memory of the computers. The information present in these files or main can be retrieved and altered as and when required by the computer system or by the computer programs. The computer can process large amount of data. It is always useful to store input and output in a data file. Now, what are the components of files? Let's discuss. Main components of files are as follows: A. Characters, B. Data fields, C. Record. Now we will discuss a very important topic: difference between sequential and random files. Now we'll discuss with the help of bullets for more clarification. Sequential access and random access. Files can be compared to the cassette and record operation. Like a cassette, in a sequential access, data is stored one after the other sequentially. Reading and writing, both these processes take place sequentially. Like a record, in a random access, the order of data storage is not important. In a record, when fourth or fifth song is required, record player's head can be directly moved to the required song without going through all the songs for it. Somewhat same way, in random access operation, whenever some data is required by the computer, it can directly move to the program, to the position wherever the data is stored and read it. To read fifth song, it does not has to go through first to fourth. It does not have to go through first to fourth data. Next point. Sequential file is useful when every time you want to process the entire data in the file. For example, using the student file to generate marks sheet, where you have to read and make the mark sheet for each and every student, whereas random file is more useful when most of the time you want to process only a single data or a small group of data from the file. So viewers, that's all, and thanks for watching. Today in this video we discuss first definition of file and the components of files, and then the difference between sequential and random files. So in our next video we'll discuss the sequential data files in more detail. So that's all, and thanks for watching.